Alright, today I want to demonstrate for you a chirping smoke alarm in your house. As you see, it chirps. And that's because it's either missing a battery or the battery in it is dead. So, I'm going to show you how to change your battery. On this unit, the battery door is on the front, located here. On some other detectors, it may be located around the side or on the back. So what you want to do is disconnect power to be safe. So I'm going to pause and do that. Okay, our power is unplugged. Or you could alternatively just unplug the back of the connector. Next, you are going to open your battery door. Once your detector is open, you are going to remove your old battery. And if you notice in here, it also tells you which way the battery goes around so you don't mess it up. So, once you get your new battery, you are going to install it according to the markings on your detector. I'm going to try to do this one-handed, but I'm not sure if I can. Alright, the battery is in the compartment. So what you're going to want to do now is close the battery compartment and then reconnect power. Alright, here's the power connector. And we're just going to plug it in. So if you notice, the little green light's on, and every 45 seconds, the red light in there is going to blink, and that is its self-test. And if that blinks and doesn't chirp, you know your battery is good. And now, when I change my batteries, I like to test my units. So you push and hold to test. And there you have it. Changing the battery on your smoke detector.